In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Visual C++ assertion failed error in Windows 11, 10, 8, and 7. First, go to CMD. So let's type CMD, and then run as administrator. So over here, what you're going to do is write the following command: dism /online cleanup restore image, and then press enter. Then the second command, sfc/scan now, press enter and wait for it to finish loading, and then close it down, and then restart your computer and see if it fixes the issue. If you're still having issues, then go to Google, then type Visual C++ redistributable download. Go to this website, go to latest version, and also before you download this, I recommend uninstalling the previous Visual C++ if you have previous versions. So as you can see, I have versions from 2005 and I have older versions. So if you're not using the older versions, just uninstall them. So here you will download the 64-bit and 32-bit. Now you're gonna install both of them. So I already have it, that's why it's showing this option. So if you don't have it already, you won't see this option, so you'll have to just click install. But if you're seeing the same window, then you have to either click repair or uninstall. This will uninstall, and then you'll run the installer again to just reinstall it. And this should fix your error. And don't forget to restart your computer.